I'm Dr. Charlie Skipper, and I'm the president of Athol College of Notre Dame. Notre Dame College is a special place. It's a school that's over 125 years old. It started with a Catholic priest who had a vision for education to uplift the community and to provide chances for students that weren't able to enjoy many chances. And so it was Catholic priest, but he had an open embrace to the world. Different faith traditions, different customs, different looking at things. He was also loved hockey. And so Notre Dame College became known for its hockey program. And we've had a phenomenal history of success with professional hockey, but also college level hockey, Olympic level hockey. But now people sometimes forget, those players will often say that when they came to Notre Dame, the hockey was great, but it was the character and the educational experiences they had being there together, part of that small community. Because we are a small community, we live in a village. The village has about 250 people and the college has about 300 people in it. So it's in a small setting about an hour outside of Saskatchewan, out of Regina in Saskatchewan. So the center of Canada. So it's a different experience, but one that's well worth it. Love for you to come and see the school. It's a spectacular place. There's some summer programs that you can experience as well. But it really is one of those cases where coming and being part of the fabric of the community will give you a great sense of the place that you want to be.